You want to see 3 unique RV fifth wheel floor plans?
Ooh, stay tuned and we'll show you.
Hi everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Natasha.
And we are nursing our travel bug. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can see all the walkthroughs. They're about to be flooding our channel. We went through so many different RVs.
And as you can see, Bill is a unique RVer. He is 6'10". That's how we fit in the frame. Yeah, he's 6'10", y'all. And so if you are a big and tall RVer as well, you've got to check out our Will I Fit series for all kinds of RV walkthroughs.
Recently, we spent some time at the Tampa RV Super Show.
It was a blast. There were literally hundreds, if not thousands, of RVs to choose from. And after touring RVs, they start to look like the same floor plan.
Hey, you spend your day going in and out and in and out. We went through dozens. I was gonna say 100, but that might be overdoing it a little bit. But these are 3 floor plans we went through that made us say, wow, that's different.
They're pretty unique. Check them out.
We did not sneak in. We are here at the Tampa RV show and they have RVs on property and they just leave them all unlocked. So we had to come in and check this one out because I've seen this one at the campgrounds and I wanted to glimpse it for myself.
our friends Paul and Megan with Dreaming Out Loud RVing. They just bought one of these Durangos and they said I would fit. Challenge accepted. Let's go check it out. Well, what did you think? I think my favorite was the Durango. I mean, not because Paul and Megan of Dreaming Out Loud RVing have it. That might have something to do with it, but it was pretty cool.
I love the fact that it wasn't a toy hauler, but you still got a patio with a back deck. That is pretty special. I happen to really love the Volano by Tiffin. It's probably out of our price range, but it was so beautiful. And those doorways, man, they were taller than my tall husband. That made it feel even bigger and more spacious, especially for an RV.
Yeah, and that one actually was pretty rare. I mean, someone reached out to us asking if we ever came across any actual 2-bedroom RVs. Not like a bunk room and a master, but actual 2 separate bedrooms, and that one fit the bill.
Yeah, and that was only the second RV that we've ever seen that had 2 bedrooms. So it is a rare find indeed. But what was your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below.
If you got some value out of this video and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.
Well, thank you all so much for watching. I'm Natasha.
I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. On to the next RV tour. Let's go.
Take care.
Bye-bye.